In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to SS exclamation mark certificates on Bluehost. So the first thing that we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And that is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to show you how to SS exclamation mark certificates on Bluehost. And if you want to do that, simply go to your domains here on the left panel, expand it, and click on My Domains. Once you locate the domain name that you would like to do the SS exclamation mark certificates on, simply click on Manage right here on the domain name. Of course, if you have a lot, just go and click on that, and simply here go and click on Security. As you can see, we will have those three options right here. That means your domain name is totally working, and that is actually important as well. As you can see, verified and private. So now simply go and click on my sites in this left panel again. Then if you have a website already, just go and click manage site on it. If you don't, you can click on add site, then create a new site if you don't have one already. And if you have it on another website, you can migrate it into here. So for me, I'm just going to click as manage site, then now click on security again. Once I do that, as you can see, I'll find this SSL certificate, which is the let's encrypt, which is the SS exclamation mark certificate. If you want to how to do it, especially you can you can simply like go here and turn it on if it's not on, and that will, as you can see, an SSL helps keep information like logins, password, and customers' credit cards numbers safe. So that's how you SS exclamation mark on certificates on Bluehost. I hope you like this tutorial and goodbye.